All fashion brands are about looking good. Being human is also about doing good. And you can do good by the simple act of slipping into a t-shirt or a pair of jeans. I'm not possessive, I'm caring. Once you realize a person doesn't want that much care, you automatically back off. I don't have to show that I am working very hard. The older you get, the better you have to look, the higher you have to kick, the harder you have to work. Style is something very individual, very personal, and in their own unique way, I believe everyone is stylish. I was close to getting married a long time ago. But it didn't happen, and since then it has not been happening. It is jinxed, and I am very happy. I hope this jinx continues. Being Human clothing was first launched in France, Belgium, and Spain, where the brand's philosophy of look good, do good is connecting with people and not just Salman Khan. Now at 47, 48, I am expected to do 10 times better work than I did when I was 24. I had just 15 days to work on my body for the climactic fight of Bodyguard. And I would work on every muscle of my body 2/3 times a week. I would have developed a superb body if I had 3 months, but squeezing it into 15 days can be harmful. Also, as you grow older, your metabolic rate slows down. People are patronizing the theaters with renewed enthusiasm. There is an entire picnic-like attitude when families go out to see movies, which is a very good sign. They want to see larger-than-life characters on the big screen and not just watch movies on television or on DVDs. Why should I marry? One marries to have children, but I already have children. My nieces and nephews are my children. If the film is a hit, then everyone shares the success. If it is going to be a disaster, then it might as well be because of me, not because of somebody else. The best time to release a film is on a festive date like Diwali or Eid, or at a time when there are no big films 3 to 4 weeks before or after. Sometimes I hope I am not taking advantage of my stardom. I enjoy the process of composing music. The first time I hear a song, it has to bring a smile to my lips. You have to tap your feet, and be able to sing the song. In the past, I had a knee-jerk approach to work, and it showed on screen. I was doing movies for the wrong reasons, trying to juggle dates, do too many guest appearances, take up projects under pressure or for emotional reasons. A lion runs the fastest when he is hungry. In life, go straight and turn right. Any film is about heroism, the triumph of good over evil. If you look back at my films, you will see that as a recurring theme. It feels nice to be loved, but let me tell you, there are 10 times more better looking, stylish and talented guys than me. So, there's no solid reason for me to be proud. I don't think I have done anything extraordinary to change people's lives. Have you seen a duck gliding smoothly on water? Does it ever look like it is paddling furiously underneath the surface? I don't have to show that I am working very hard. People in the film industry always want to save for a rainy day. Many early actors died in small houses with no money, and so they are insecure. My advantage is I don't value money that much. It's an easy thing for me to let go. Cinema should always be in touch with the soil of the country. My films celebrate the heartland of India. I work with brands that I personally connect with or personally use. For example, I was already driving the Suzuki Hayabusa long before I started endorsing Suzuki. For me, acting comes straight from the heart. In that sense, I don't act at all. I think that to feel the character's pain, I have to be myself. Somewhere audiences see that. There are actors who can pull off a writer's lines. I am not competent enough to do that. I don't go out anywhere. I don't go to nightclubs, so meeting somebody in the nightclub is out of question. The day the producers aren't minting money, or the fans are done with me, and, most of all, I as a person get bored of acting, I will stop and pursue my other interests. There is a lot to do: painting, writing, direction. If it is something that I want to do, then I don't think the audience will hate it. Unless I turn into a megalomaniac and start thinking that Salman Khan can do anything. I no longer do a film for the wrong reasons. I have to be convinced ethically and morally. Both the director and I have to be on the same page. There are just 5 songs in most films these days, and they have to be amazing. There has to be a twist in the screenplay. The editing has to be crisp. Your hard work should show, but effortlessly? I guess I don't take my stardom too seriously. I think I am one of the guys. I feel blessed that I haven't seen or felt real pain to be immune to it. But I am dreading the time it comes. I feel blessed to have everything going fine. My parents' health is good, my brothers are well settled, I have a great brother-in-law, and my own career is doing fine. I hope and pray that I am fit and fine always. With every film, I try and give the audiences a little more than the previous film in terms of comedy, action, drama, and so on.